Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do 1099 taxes. First, you must gather all your Form 1099 documents, such as a 1099 NEC or 1099 MISC, from every client or payer. Next, meticulously track all your business income and expenses throughout the year. This initial step is crucial for accurate reporting and ensuring you claim all eligible deductions. Understanding your income sources is the foundation for proper tax preparation. Once you have your income and expense records, you will report them on Schedule C, Profit or Loss from Business, which is part of your Form 1040. This form allows you to list all your business income and deduct eligible expenses. Common deductions include office supplies, professional development, and a portion of your home expenses if you have a dedicated home office. Maximizing these deductions significantly reduces your overall tax liability. As a self-employed individual, you are responsible for both the employer and employee portions of Social Security and Medicare taxes. This is known as self-employment tax. The rate is 15.3% on your net earnings, up to certain limits. Fortunately, you can deduct 1/2 of your self-employment tax from your gross income, which helps reduce your overall tax burden. This calculation is a key part of your tax obligations. To avoid penalties, you must pay estimated taxes throughout the year, typically in 4 quarterly installments. The due dates are generally April 15th, June 15th, September 15th, and January 15th of the following year. It is vital to keep meticulous records of all income and expenses for at least 3 years after filing your return. Good record keeping ensures accuracy and provides necessary documentation if your return is ever reviewed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.